motdur jong Syiem Tirot Sing ya ubadang Shuplisian dak Sarkar Meghalaya hapo Indira Gandhi Cultural Center IGCC ha kanong ba Dhaka ka Bangladesh ula Shah pen prano pom hakipai ba kani kari kiba penlong jinya ki persya Sarkar. Haba keren Syllad pathai khubor Menteri Ketenan Arts and Culture uba po lingdo ulaong ngalayo iya ka video bala pha da uwe unong pathai khubor kabapen iya ka jing Shah pynjulor no jong ka IGCC baro ka we kabakun thup ru ya udur mot jong Tirot Sing Syiem hakipat buhur. Haba kali uba pol ulaong ngidang syo isyan ya ka video dang kumbasan minit AA ha kabala saki bakaladon ru ka jing penpau persya India Jurbha ha kini ka jing yakhi ka bedang yai peteng ha Bangladesh ha kabaka ne ka jing thombor ka dei ka betmu khamtam ya ka Indian High Commission Cultural Center Henry Namar uni motdur udon hapo jong ka ne ka center kumtaru ulangat lang ha ka ne ka jing pynjulor jong ki paj ba. Kat kum na ka video nga tharai ba uni udur motdur jong Syiem Tirot Sing ula Shah pynjulor no phom ha ki paj ba. Henry ka benta ba sya tarai ka badan ya ka kerteng jong Tirot Sing kadang yai ne ulaong.
Yeah, I've just seen a video which was sent by one media person showing the destruction of the entire Indian Center, the High Commission, and apparently, yeah, the statue erected in memory of Tirot Sing also was demolished by a mob. No, we have just I've just watched this video just 5 minutes back. So apparently there's a huge anti-India campaign which is ongoing in that country, and in the process the attack was meant on the Indian High Commission, the cultural center, and since the monument was erected within the premises of that center, it also fell prey to these mobs of arsonists and rioters. According to the video, I think the bust is demolished, but the lower portion bearing the name of Tirot Sing is still intact.
So will we get it confirmed from the High Commission?
I can get it confirmed by tonight. Yes.